All right, so ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, it is about to storm, but I wanted to show y'all literally every single day this week I've harvested tomatoes, and it's been this much every single day. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's so many of them, and this is the beauty of growing cherry tomatoes, because they're so plentiful. And I try to look for ones that's pretty, when I harvest them, ones that's pretty ready. You know what I'm saying? I don't snatch any green ones. I will snatch them if they're kind of yellow, because they'll ripen up. You know what I'm saying? But it's some ones deep in here. You know what I'm saying? Like that. I'm probably gonna eat this one. Yeah. Let me see. There's ones like this. There's some ones deep in here that's kind of red that I want to grab. If y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to give y'all an example of how I harvest my tomatoes and how often I have to harvest them. The cherry ones are ready so fast. And it's because they're so small. They ripen extremely fast. So it'll literally be so ripe within 7 days that you're gonna have to put it straight into compost because it won't be no more good. So you gotta pull these pretty quick. So I'm literally out here every day in the garden. We outside with it every day. As y'all can see, we outside with it every day. So, yes, sir. And we back. No, I'm joking, but y'all know what time it is. Look, so as you can see, I'm finna dehydrate probably like 20, 25 peppers. I got some jalapenos right there. I got some chili peppers, some habaneros, some poblanos. Those are very hot. Some chili peppers. That's the more than pesto. So as you can see, I cut the peppers up into small enough pieces to fit inside the dehydrator. The chili peppers, I ain't really cut for real because sometimes you don't got to, but those take a lot of work. So I'm gonna explain that later. Right here, my dog was being greedy. She loves peppers too, so you know I don't give her any ones that's too spicy, but she eats healthy just like me. So shout out to her. She the GOAT. Moving forward, right here, this dehydrator was a pretty cheap one, about $75. Never dehydrate your vegetables over 125 degrees. I know it has options to go over, but you want a more even dehydration. It takes longer, but it's more of an even dehydration. And the higher the temperature, you damage some of your mineral content. So right here, you see that this is the dehydrated version of the peppers. I'm going to take these and actually put them into mason jars. And I have mixed mason jars. Sometimes I separate them. You'll see me do all chili, all poblano. But I'm going to mix these ones and kind of dehydrate and probably make some seasoning out of them. These ones didn't get dehydrated very well. I only ran it for 5 hours. I'm actually going to put these ones back in and run them for about 3 more hours. So yeah, this is the process. This is the process.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Look how beautiful that is. Look at those onions. You see what I'm saying? My boy Andre Rashad is so consistent with his works. Don't think that you're going to get anything out the ground if you're not being consistent with your works. Look at that beautiful watermelon. You can dehydrate some of these tomatoes, make you some sun-dried tomatoes in your dehydrator, or you can even do it outside. Look at those potatoes. Man, we appreciate all your works, Andre. Keep coming back with more to show and inspire to the people. Peace and blessings, guys.